Me mamunyina akwa baby I say she dey big camera me subscribers phone na sinya winsha. Once I am new to this channel, me ma akwa wa bat na sa na am kan. Na de more simple. Way me salsa sanya me ya no. Ubetumi de di chips, ubetumi de di bayraya, ubetumi de di kokoaya chi anase, ubetumi de di Doritos anase nachos, anase why your vegetables be our roast, ubetumi atibi na da ye come into simple. Today me wo ha say 2-pointed pepper sana aya omo frame nim say di fufuro bi wo ho de a wa odim no betumi aka kire ni. And I we say me bell peppers no so and I we nso ye me jalapeno peppers and no me ensa na mefa nti me kan hwe say nya ya bebra me di be kan hwan ano nya hye and 4 cloves of garlic and I may use half ginger we say and 2 red onions and 2 medium sized tomatoes if I want pese be sweet nti nyoma me hie nyina ni and me coconut oil and also me ba aba be use nti on say simple ade a me de be kan we chili flakes keke se be ma me ada texture wo nti no je wakonya na me kohohoro ho me twitwa me adi ahihye so we dey a short video nti ko akoma to ye be we sisi ya and say me de me pot yes is on a low heat. Now the 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now they are 2. And me de me coconut oil no 2 tablespoons 2 no. Say me what desiccated coconut wa I say because coconut oil nem ko an ma wo flavor no. Ti me try we na nice nti no wahwie and nso agu and mu chi wo mu a and ma wo sauce na ye nice nti anu wa try. Na coconut ni hwam wa ho nti hwe say be brown say e ma flavors ni really dey nice na afi wo de o garlic no ani o chillies no na dey ku nti garlic no chili ni ginger ni dey control no say ne wo pen so be ye dey ama nti say achi be ye 2 minutes on afi wo de o jene no egu red onion no nice e ma with that sweetness nti no ya try say so benya ba wa nya dia fa white na aye okay and to when so achi for bare 4 minutes wa ho I come abanye peche na hehwam jai na dia ya ko Mexico na so do chop tomatoes na dia come and the salsa yana me gusuchi yo na me another recipe here uncooked one where you cook salsa send me here so into the anonso bebro na where the master so try and then you ma be break or I said I will replace shit up so come into no yen to us and the see I'm in toast near the swatch for be 3 minutes wa me din toast ni na me de me shrink cube so egum na afi we do bell peppers ni nyina ni sweet peppers ni nyina na di na me si ehwa no wa hu wo de pe wadu ani bi bra me nte kakra mu bi fried rice bi na me nte kakra nto ma why ye anko we de Ghana flag dayo nti me salsa ya na me gusuyo na me kan me ko ni hwe eye if some a ebedi no mo pe me ko bebre so nti wo pa me ko ni mo ana de chili flakes kakra aka ana say green chili no wa ade na nete na do salt to taste but me de shrimp cube ni gum come to me yes it's about 4 minutes and that's some time nothing e din komo me de me balsamic vinegar 1 tablespoon come hwese ne O salsa ye na ni hwa coconut ni ahwe textures na ye adwumi so na wape we ye tortilla chips ameme wo so nye de bia ni edi aduane emu odu watse ne kama na de si table so we snack o light snack kama nti nye de bia ni edi aduane a edu so open this option kama ana so say wase 2 table bi amubedidi no na de we no so aka enti we so ebetimi aya o starter ansana wa upeme or obetimi have no on it no wape the water and man yes ice cubes na de twa wan so enti de edisi no so obehu de salsa me de be a simple recipe as well enti I hope you give it a try we there mama try bi ma wa fa o tortilla bi what si bi eguso cleaning I so nice. Wow, until I was try and uti coconut and wow, 70 desiccated one very nice. Into peppers and over coconut and many into show who see mammy, now dear be our way and our brushing and soya and so yummy, all the best.